that means you have been playing the game 7 to Heaven at a level 2. Congratulations and good job. There are 7 levels to this game, and you are already into level 2. Now, one of my friends would say you were playing at level 2A because you're playing at half of that level because there's still more to learn in level 2. We have prayer hands and loud, piano and forte, but there's also some more things like high pitches and crouching tiger, low, and there's also the turn signal. You may already know what I'm talking about. I'll get to that in a second, but let's review level 1 stuff, the meter. Remember, you need to know if you need to walk to the beat or ice skate to the beat. If I'm playing in this meter, you should be ice skating. One way you could figure it out is how Indian drummers do it. They use their fingers to count out their rhythm cycles. Well, I was in 3, so I would go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or if I'm in 2, I could go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sometimes that helps me figure out what I'm doing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's take a look at level 2B. Pitches. Pitches are the highness and the lowness of a note. So in the game, if I'm playing high pitches, you got to show me by raising your hands. And if I'm playing low pitches, you got to get crouching down, like crouching tiger. If I'm playing mid-range pitches, you just need to stay up where you are. So for instance, on this instrument, mid-range would be here. Once I start getting down here, it starts to get to be the low pitches of this instrument. Now, I can also play high pitches on this instrument, and they would sound like this. For that, you would need to raise your hand. I was playing in a meter of 2, so you would raise your hand. Ba-ba-bum, bum, ba-bum-bum. But up here. Pitches. Highness or lowness of the note. Let's practice, okay? I'm going to start in mid-range, but then I'm going to either go low or I'm going to go up high. You need to show me crouching for low or hands up in the air for high. Are you ready? Pitches, the highness or the lowness of the note. Now I'm also going to throw in one more new thing. It is called the turn signal. If you hear the turn signal, that means you have to turn and go the opposite direction. It sounds like this. Buck-a-dum, dick-a-dum. When you hear it on the flute, it sounds like this. I could put that anywhere in the game. So now we're listening for all kinds of stuff in the game. What meter are we in? Are we walking or are we ice skating? Is the pitch loud, forte? Is the pitch piano, soft? Are the pitches high, mid-range, or low? And for a special cue, the turn signal. That's a lot of stuff. Let's see how you do. I threw a lot of stuff in there. I know I was playing in a meter of 2. Bum bum bum, but it bum 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 bum. I think I started mid-range, then I know I got low, and I threw in some turn signals in there. I'll go back and watch the video and put it in so that you know what I'm talking about when it happens. I hope you're doing a good job. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time. Remember, highs and lows, turn signals. Ba-da-doo.